Staycation in El Nido. Mga ka-isla, let's go! Simula June, pasok na nga ang rainy season. Kaya mas maganda na yung pipiliin yung accommodation ay good for staycation. This is the place where we stayed in El Nido last time. Mga ka-isla, this is Banig Beach, El Nido. Pagpasok pa lang namin, nakaka-relax agad yung bango ng room. And I think this is the major highlight of this place, this Bali-inspired swimming pool. Banig is a beachfront accommodation that gives you an amazing view of Bakwit Bay. And look at this island doggo. Ang cute, no? Pinangalanan namin siyang Banini. And then, came dinner time. Sobrang hangin nung gabing to. Hindi na rin talaga kami lumabas sa accommodation na to dahil meron silang sariling restaurant. Nag-solo drinking lang din ako para pampatulog. Nung madaling araw, sobrang lakas ng ulan hanggang kinaumagahan pa. The next day, it was a rainy morning in El Nido. But we wouldn't ask for more. Look at this breakfast. Sobrang nabusog kami. We decided to chill. At ako naman, natulog ulit. Pagising, nag-ayos na rin kami for lunch and shooting. We had seafood budal fries. Sobrang pampered namin. Hindi na talaga kami lumabas dahil nandito na nga sa Banig lahat ng kailangan namin. Ang bilis lang talaga ng oras kapag nag-e-enjoy ka. Dinner time na ulit. At dahil maulan, ito ang sinerve nila sa amin, pork sinigang. Last night namin tonight, kaya para makompleto ang experience, let's party! Charing, house party pala ang peg. Last day in El Nido, it's so hard to leave you, Banig. What an amazing experience to stay here. This is definitely a travel I didn't know I needed. Like and comment for more.